dears, today's class we are going to discussing about electrometallurgy. Before going to study electrometallurgy, you should know about metallurgy. That is, the branch of science dealing with the methods of extraction of metals from their ore is called metallurgy. That is, the extraction of metals from their ore is generally known as metallurgical process. The electrometallurgical process is always similar to that of metallurgical process. That is, for highly electropositive metals, the extraction of metals from their ore from the presence of a reducing agents is not possible. For such type of electropositive metals, we use an electrolyte for the extraction of metals from their ore. Such type of process is generally known as electrometallurgical process. Here you can see a definition for electrometallurgy. The process of estimation of metals by the electrolytic reduction of molten metal compound is called electrometallurgy. That is, simply we can say that the electrolytic reduction is known as electrometallurgy. That is, for highly electropositive metal, the electrometallurgical process is applicable. For metallurgical process, the extraction of metals from their ore is occur in the presence of a reducing agents. For highly electropositive metals, that is not possible. It is very difficult to separate the metals from their ore. So suitable electrolyte is used for that purpose. That is, this process is mainly used in highly electropositive metals like alkaline and alkaline earth metals. That is, the process is mainly used in the extraction of alkali metals, alkaline earth metals and aluminium. In the case of highly electropositive metals, isolation by chemical reducing agent is extremely difficult. In such cases, the metal is obtained by the electrolysis of fused salts. Under such condition, the ions readily move to the oppositely charged electrons and are discharged occur there. For example, we can say that the extraction of sodium from sodium chloride or the extraction of magnesium from magnesium chloride. We know that magnesium is a highly electropositive metals. So the manufacture of sodium by the electrolysis of fused mixture of NaCl and calcium chloride is generally known as Downs process. We know that for an electrolytic reduction, two electrodes is there, one is anode and the one is cathode. And for anode, the oxidation reaction takes place. Oxidation. For cathode, the reduction reaction takes place. Okay, for the extraction of sodium from sodium chloride, at anode the reaction is Cl minus to give Cl plus an electron. Chlorine does not exist in monoatomic stage, so we have to balance this. We should balance this equation, that is 2Cl minus to gives Cl2 plus 2 electrons. And the next reactions occur in cathode, that is Na plus to give Na that is in cathode. I hope that you guys get the reaction occur in anode. In cathode the reaction is Na plus electron give Na. That is, we have to balance these equations, that is 2 Na plus 2 electron to give 2 Na. That is in cathode Cl minus to give Cl2 plus 2Cl minus to give Cl2 plus 2 electron. That is, for this the overall reaction is 2 NaCl to give 2Na plus Cl2. That is the extraction of sodium from NaCl. Let me explain once more time. That is the reaction occur in anode is oxidation reaction. That is the 2Cl minus to give Cl2 plus 2 electron minus. In cathode, the reduction reactions takes place. That is 2Na plus 2 electron give 2Na. The overall reaction is that 2NaCl gives 2Na plus 2 electron. So the extraction of sodium from NaCl. The general reaction is 2NaCl gives 2Na plus 2Cl minus. That is the extraction of sodium from sodium chloride. So let us discuss about another example like the extraction of magnesium from magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. This is also the same reaction. This is also same that of sodium chloride. That is the anode oxidation reaction takes place. That is 2Cl minus gives Cl2 plus 2 electron, and in anode reactions takes place Mg2 plus 2 electron give Mg, and the overall reaction is Mg, and the overall reaction is MgCl2 gives Mg plus 2 Cl2. So I hope that you guys get the idea of extraction of sodium from sodium chloride. That is an electrometallurgical process. That is we can say is that for highly electropositive metals, the extraction of metals from their ore is not possible for a normal in the presence of reducing agents or in normal metallurgical process. For in that cases we use an electrolyte for the separation of metals from their ores. That is known as electrometallurgical process. For example, we can say is that the separation of sodium from sodium chloride. That is two electrodes are there. One is an anode and the other one is cathode. And the oxidation reactions takes place in anode and the reduction reaction takes place in cathode. Okay. And also we can say is that at anode the 2Cl2 minus gives Cl2 plus 2 electron, and in cathode Na plus 2 electrons gives Ne. So the overall reaction is 2NaCl gives 2Na plus 2 electron. That is the extraction of sodium from sodium chloride. So I hope that you guys get the idea of electrometallurgy. So thanks for watching.